Hi, Maddie. This is Miss Hobkirk. I've copied your code so I can kind of go through with you what I would do to fix yours. Um, I would put my cursor right there and hit enter so I can go down a couple of lines. Then I would insert a table that was 3 columns and 2 rows, like that. And then I would put in I put in pages created using a text editor. This would be pages created using a web editor. And as you notice, the boxes are moving as I type things in. That is what web boxes do. And then this one is going to say projects. And actually what we want to do is we want to make these columns or these table cells all the same. So I want to put my cursor in the first column, and then I right click and I choose table cell properties. I want to make sure I'm on the cell tab, and I hit width and I change it to percent of tables, and I'm going to put in 33% because that's a third. So that one is now a fixed width. I'm going to do the same thing in this one. Percent 33. And then this one I don't have to change. Alright, second thing I might want to do is come along and highlight all of the text in there, and let's make it an H2. This one should be an H1, which it is. Okay, now what I want to do is inside this first one we're going to create a list. And I'm going to copy what you have here, and I'm going to paste it right here. Now, it's not showing as a list because of the way you put it in, so I'm going to hit backspace and enter so it appears as a list. See, I know that the same thing is going to happen here, but I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And here I'm going to start another bulleted list. I'm going to paste it in. But again, I have to backspace and hit enter in order to get the bullets there because of the way that you started it. Another thing I might come across and do is highlight all of those, and maybe I want to center that text. Once I've got all that done, I can delete everything down here. So that cleans that up pretty good. The one last thing I would do is, now that I have everything out set up, and I would change this, that should be in uppercase. I would go in and make the border on my table nothing. So I would right click, put myself in the box somewhere, right click, and then I want to find table cell properties. I get this box to come up again, and I want to go to the table tag, and now let's say I want my border to be 0, and I hit apply and OK. And so here I just see the dotted red line, but when I go online I'm gonna see nothing, and it's nice and spaced out. So Maddie, that's what you need to do in order to clean your page up and get it looking so you're showing some good web design skills. If you have questions, send me a message.